In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google business profile permanently. If you no longer need a business listing and want to remove it completely, this process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to pay close attention because permanent deletion removes profile content and manager access. So before you proceed, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account that manages the business profile you want to delete. Start by going to Google Business Profile Manager, or simply search for your business profile through Google while logged into the managing account. Once you're in the right place, locate the business profile you want to remove. This is the most important first step, especially if you manage more than one listing, because you want to be certain you're working on the correct profile before making any permanent changes. Next, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More, next to your business listing. Click that menu to open the available options. From there, select Business Profile Settings. This section contains the management tools for your listing, including the option to remove it. Once you're inside the settings area, click Remove Business Profile. This is the option that begins the permanent deletion process. After selecting it, you'll see another option called Remove Profile Content and Managers. Click that to continue. This step removes the data connected to the profile, including things like posts, photos, reviews, and access for any managers who were assigned to help manage the listing. At this stage, Google will ask you to confirm the action. Click Continue and then select Remove to finalize the deletion. Once you do this, the profile removal process is submitted and the associated content and manager permissions will be cleared. As a quick tip, take a moment before confirming to review everything on screen. Permanent deletion means you may not be able to recover the same profile content later, so it's worth making sure this is definitely what you want to do. If your goal is only to stop managing the listing rather than fully delete it, be careful not to remove the wrong profile or proceed too quickly through the confirmation screens. And that's it. To permanently delete a Google business profile, sign in to the managing account, open the three-dot menu, go to Business Profile Settings, choose Remove Business Profile, select Remove Profile Content and Managers, then click Continue and Remove. Follow those steps carefully and your profile will be permanently removed.